Hey everyone, welcome to another PhotoUp tutorial. In this one, I will show you how to add fire to fireplaces in Photoshop to make your living room photos more inviting. The first step is to look for a photo of a fire that's fitting for your fireplace. I have a library here, so I'll just choose from one of them. Next, drag and drop the photo to Photoshop. Resize the fire appropriately and drag it over the fireplace. Hold down Ctrl on your keyboard and drag the control points to adjust the perspective. Now change the blending mode to screen. As you can see here, the edges of the photo are visible. We need to get rid of that. Click on the masking icon and select the brush tool. Set the hardness to 0% and make sure the foreground is set to black. Now simply brush on the edges and it will disappear. And that's how to add fire to your fireplace. If you want us to work on your photos for you, you can check out PhotoUp.net for more information.